Hi friends, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. Today in this video, let us going to discuss 10 and 11 examples in mensuration of 10th class mathematics. Right? Yes, let us going to the topic. Yeah. See the 10th example. A solid toy is in the form of right circular cylinder with hemispherical shape at one end and cone at other end. Their common diameter is 4.2 centimeters and the height of the cylindrical and conical portions are 12 centimeters and 7 centimeters respectively. Find the volume of the solid toy. Right here, a solid toy has given, it is in cylindrical shape, and one end is in the form of cone and another end is in the form of hemisphere. Here, heights of cone and cylindrical portions are given, that is the height of the cone is 7 centimeters and height of the cylinder is 12 centimeters. Next, common diameter is 4.2 centimeters has given. Then he has asked that find the volume of the solid toy. Find the volume of the solid toy. How can you find? Yes, first we have to find the volume of the cone, after that volume of the cylinder, after that volume of the sphere. We have to find and we have to add all these volumes. We can easily get the volume of the solid toy. Understood? Yeah. So according to that, first do the sum. First cones, right? Yeah. Cones height is equal to, height h is equal to how much? Yes, 7 centimeters. Next, diameter also given. Diameter d is equal to 4.2 centimeters. That implies its radius. Radius r is equal to, yes, 4.2 by 2. Half of the diameter, no? Yeah. So that is 2.1 centimeters. Next, its volume is equal to volume of the cone. What is the formula? Yes, 1 by 3 pi r square h. So that is equal to 1 by 3. Pi means 22 by 7 into r square, 2.1 whole square into h is 7 centimeter cube. Right? So don't simplify, keep like this. Next, after the cone, what is there? Yes, cylinder. Cylinders. Yes, height is equal to, yeah, height is equal to, height h is equal to how much? 12 centimeters. Next, its radius, same radius, no? That is 2.1 centimeters. Next, its volume is equal to, what is the formula? Yes, pi r square h. That is 22 by 7 into 2.1 whole square into height is 12. This is centimeter cube. So this is also, don't simplify, keep like this. Next, hemispheres. Hemispheres, radius. Radius is equal to, r is equal to how much? Yeah, 2.1 centimeters. Its volume is equal to, what is the formula? Yes, 2/3 pi r cube, that is 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 whole cube. This is also centimeter cube. So don't simplify this also. So now volume of the given solid toy is equal to volume of the solid toy is equal to, yes, volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of, yes, hemisphere, right? Hemisphere. So volume of the cone how much? First 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 whole square into 7 plus volume of the cylinder is, yes, 22 by 7 into 2.1 whole square into 12 plus volume of the hemisphere is, yes, 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 whole cube. Right? Here see, in these all three terms, what is the common one? Yes, 22 by 7 is there, and 2.1 whole square also will be there, right? Here 2.1 whole cube na, in that 2.1 whole square is also there. So common that 22 by 7 into 2.1 whole square. If you do common, here the remaining part is 7 by 3 plus, yes, 12, and 2 by 3 into, yes, 2.1 whole square, it is common. The remaining part is, yes, 2.1. Right, that is 22 by 7 into 21. 21 is, yes, 441. Here 2.1 whole cube, no, 4.41 into this is 7 by 3 plus 12 plus, here look here, 3 how many times? Yes, 0.7 times get cancelled na. Suppose this is 2 into 0.7, 1.4, right? So 1.4 also can be written as, yes, 14 by 10. 1.4 also can be written as 14 by 10. Next, that is 22 by 7 into this 4.41. How can you write 441 by 100? Because after the point there is 2 digits. Into 7 by 3 plus 12 plus, here second table get cancelled, 2 7s are 2 5s are 7 by 5. Right, that is 22 by 7 into 441 by 100. This is do LCM, 3 5 LCM is 15. Here 3 in 15, 5 times get cancelled, 5 7s are, yes, 35 plus, here not there anything means 1 15s are 15, 15 12s are, yes, 180 plus 5 how many times? 3 times, 3 7s are 21. Right, here do here. Next 22 by 7 into 441 by 100 into this is 180 plus 20, 21, 201 plus 35, 236 by 15. Right? Yeah, which table get cancelled? See, here in 441, 7th table get cancelled. For 7 6 are 42. Right? 42, 21 is there, 7 3s are 21. Next again, 3 5s are, yes, 3 21s are. Next, another table, yeah. So 2 11s are, 2 50s are. Next, 2 25s are, 2 11s are 22, 2 8s are. So in the numerator 11 into 21 into 118 is there. Here 25 5s are 125. So you multiply and if you do with division with 125, you will get the answer is 218.064 centimeter cube. So the volume of the given toy is 218.046 centimeter cube. Understood clearly? Next, example 11. See, a cylindrical container is filled with ice cream whose diameter is 12 centimeters and height is 15 centimeters. The whole ice cream is distributed to 10 children in equal cones having hemispherical tops. If the height of the conical portion is twice the diameter of the base, find the diameter of the ice cream cone. Right? See, a cylindrical container is filled with ice cream whose diameter is 12 centimeters and height is 15 centimeters. Right? Next, the whole ice cream is distributed to 10 children equal cones, 10 children equal cones having hemispherical tops. If the height of the conical portion is twice the diameter of the base, it's a height of the conical portion is twice the diameter of the base, then find the diameter of the ice cream cone. Find the diameter of the ice cream cone. We have to find the diameter of the ice cream cone. Right? Yeah. First take cylindrical containers. Yes, diameter has given, right? diameter D is equal to how much? Yes, 12 centimeters. So that implies its radius. Radius R is equal to, yeah, so 12 by 2, no? Yes, 6 centimeters. Right? Next, its height. Its height H is equal to, yeah, 15 centimeters. Understood? Next, its volume. Volume V is equal to, what is the volume of the cylinder? Yes, pi r square H. Pi r square H. Pi into radius. How much? 6 square into height. Yeah, height is equal to 15. Yeah, 6 square is 36. 36 15s are 15 6 are 90. 9 is there. 15 3 is 45. 45 plus 9? Yes, 54. 540 pi. Don't substitute pi value, keep like this first. Okay, yeah, so volume of the cylindrical container which is having the ice cream, full of ice cream, is 540 pi. Understood? Yeah, now take a conical portion, conical and this is hemispherical portions. Yeah, let the radius of the ice cream cone be x. Right. Next, its diameter is equal to, diameter D is equal to how much then? Yes, diameter is twice of radius, no? So diameter D is equal to 2x. That implies its height is equal to, its height H is equal to, yes, he has given that its height is height of the conical portion is twice the diameter. Twice the diameter means here twice of diameter, 2 into 2x, that will be 4x. Understood? Yeah, suppose here diameter is 2x, then its height will be, yes, exactly 4x. Why? Because its height of the conical portion is twice of the diameter of the, twice of the diameter. So that's why it will be 4x. Right? So height is equal to 4x. Right. Now, volume of the ice cream cone. Volume of the ice cream cone is equal to volume of hemisphere plus, yes, volume of, yes, cone. Volume of hemisphere plus volume of the cone, that is equal to volume of the hemisphere. What is the formula? Yes, 2 by 3 pi r cube, right? Plus volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So that is equal to 2 by 3 into pi, right, as it is pi. R is equal to how much? How much we have taken? Yes, x, right? So x cube, right? 2 by 3 pi x cube plus 1 by 3 pi. This is r, how much? Radius is, yes, x square into height, how much? Height is equal to 4x. So that is 2 by 3 pi x cube plus 1 by 3 pi, here 4x into x square, yes, 4x cube. See, 2 by 3 pi x cube plus 1 by 3 pi 4x cube. So this will be 4 by 3 pi x cube now. 4 by 3 pi x cube. So 2 by 3 pi x cube plus 4 by 3 pi x cube. Yes, that will be 6 by 3 pi x cube. So 3 in 6, 2 times get cancelled. This is 2 pi x cube. So volume of the ice cream cone is equal to 2 by 3. Sorry, 2 pi x cube only. Next, ice cream is distributed to how many children? Yes, 10 children, right? So 10 into volume of ice cream is equal to, yes, volume of cylinder isn't it? 10 into volume of ice cream is equal to volume of cylinder. So here then pi into volume of ice cream, how much? Volume 2 pi x cube. 2 pi x cube is equal to volume of cylinder, how much? Yeah, 540 pi. So 10 into 2 pi x cube is equal to 540 pi. So x cube is equal to 540 pi by here 10 into 2 pi transfer to this side. This will be 10 into 2 pi, right? 10 0 get cancelled, pi get cancelled. Next 2 in 54 how many times? Yes, 27 times get cancelled. So that implies x cube is equal to 27 here. So x cube is equal to 3 cube. It will 27 can be written as in the form of 3 cube, right? So that implies x is equal to 3. X is equal to how much? 3 came. Here x is what we have taken. The radius of the cone is, ice cream cone is x. So radius is 3 centimeters. Then diameter is, yes, exactly 6 centimeters. Therefore diameter of the ice cream cone is equal to 2 into 3, 6 centimeters. Understood clearly? Yes. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.